Hi, my name is Manny. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix that wardrobe malfunction in Adobe Photoshop. First step is pick the polygonal lasso tool and then draw outlines of the skirt. And then keep drawing until it is finished. And then click down the edit menu, find the transform and warp option, and then start dragging down the skirt until we covered the areas of concern. In this case, itatago natin yung underwear ng model. So hindi na to dapat trabaho ng photographer, no? Kasi photo manipulation na to, usually hindi naman lahat ng photographer ay nakakaalam ng proseso ng ganito. At bibihira lang mga photographer talaga na nakakapag-retoke, photo manipulation. And when you're done, you can save your work and upload to social media without having to deal with privacy and the guidelines violation. Next, we have another sample exercise, and this time, itatago naman natin ang cleavage nitong model na to. Kasi masyadong napababa yung kanyang neckline, no? So, almost kita na yung kanyang boobs. Well, of course, another privacy violation yan kapag in-upload natin sa Facebook. Let's start again. Guys, ito hindi na to hindi to ordinaryong trabaho talaga. Pang graphic artist talaga to kasi this is very difficult to do kapag wala kang alam sa Photoshop. This is an advanced exercise. Iba yung yung adjustment ng brightness contrast, pero ito advanced to, no? So it involves some tools in Photoshop na hindi naman lahat talaga nakagawa. We're dealing here with some advanced tools sa Photoshop. Meron dyan kasi we have to do some layering, and then of course warping, cut and paste, some clone stamp tool, and then pinching. Basta marami pang mahabang proseso to. Panoorin nyo na lang, napakahirap talaga. Nung sinimulan ko pang pag-aralan to, talaga inabot talaga ang taon bago ko ma-perfect to. Hanggang ngayon, nag-aaral pa din ako. Hindi ko pa rin na-perfect. Well, anyway, as I said, wala tayong choice, kapag ganito yung mga kuha. At wala kang maipaproduce na pictures, kawawa naman yung model. At of course, lalo na pagka paid photographer tayo, well, sayang ang mga shots. At need talaga natin gawin ito. So again, swerte mo kung makakahanap ka ng photographer na marunong mag-photo manipulate. Pero kung wala, magpapa-edit ka pa talaga sa iba, which is another bayad. Yun lang, no? Sa iba, magkano binabayad nila sa mga photo manipulators, yung mga gumagawa ng ganito, no? I think pinakamura na yung 500 for photo, tama ba? If I'm not mistaken, pero dati pa yon, before pandemic. I don't know how much na ngayon. Singil ko kasi dati dito mga sa mga kaibigan ko, mga 200 to 300. Pero syempre, as years pass by, nagtataas din naman ang ating presyo. Depende nga sa kalidad ng trabaho natin. As time goes on kasi, nade-develop din ang skills natin, nag-i-improve tayo. And at the same time, yung inflation rate tumataas din. Kaya kailangan din talaga nating mag-level up, no, sa trabaho. again, when we're done, we gotta save the work and compare with the original. So ayan po ang original image, wardrobe malfunction, and then the photo manipulated one. So there you have it, guys. I hope you like this tutorial. Sana nakatulong. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye bye.